Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today LEGO Batman set number 76264, the Batmobile Pursuit Batman versus the Joker. 54 pieces for $27 or euros. This is a 4+ set, that means big molded pieces, easy to build. Learn to build is the sayer that is printed here in the box. DC Comics, I don't know. I think this set is not based on a specific Batman movie, so it's a generic Batman set, I think. And I think let us start unboxing and building it. Have fun.